Hello everyone, Android user here today, bringing you an app review of Untangle Me. That one right there. And I'm also going to do this one as well. This one is called Untangle Me Extreme. Just checking. And the difference is actually subtle, but I'll explain after. So first let me Untangled Me. Before, let's see, they have a how to play, and they also have settings here, game background and game points, so you can change it into whatever you want, and these backgrounds as well. Now what this game is they have these nets that are connected to these dots, and you have to try to untangle the nets and the dots. So you can see here, when they're tangled, they are red, and when they're untangled, such as those ones, they are green. To untangle them, you have to move them around until they're less tangled. By moving them, they eventually become more and more untangled and greener. Like this. See, as of now I only have two that are tangled, and that is how you solve it. A key to solving these, for me at least, is to pick ones that seem to have a lot connected. For example, this only has two, so this would always be on the outer edge for me. Sometimes you can just move it a little and it will be done already. This is currently level 20. Once again, this game has very little lag, which I like. After playing for a while, you eventually get used to it and understand how to find quicker ways to untangle all this. One thing I would have to say is that it does get a bit boring eventually. I think for the time being it actually has some replay value to an extent. You always have to experiment and see. Sometimes you have them in the wrong direction. There we go. The more dots they have, such as these ones, the harder it gets. And I think the main thing to do is just to pick the right one to start off with, such as these ones. It will probably take me a long time to solve it, but I will try. As you can see, I'm picking the ones that seem to have the most with them. Sometimes I lack the patience to deal with this game as well, which in that case I would just give up.